How to sign in to XDesign account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sign in or log into your XDesign account. In order to do so, first of all, you'll need to ensure that you have already created an account on it. Once you have done that, open any web browser on your device and in the search bar type in xdesign.com. Now press on enter to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of XDesign. Once you reach to this page, you will need to click on the Get Started button at the top right. Once you click on it, a pop-up will appear. Here you may sign in to your account using your Google account, or you may also use the email instead. Here I am going with email. Click on the sign in with email option right here. Now by doing so, you will need to now enter the email address associated to your account. Click on the box and enter your email address. Once after entering your email address, now click on the send button right here and then a verification code will be sent to your email address. You will need to wait for the code, and once you receive the code, click on the box here and enter the same code in this field. After entering the code, click on this login button right here and wait for a moment. After that, you will be logged in or sign in to your XDesign account. You may click on the profile icon at the top right in order to view your profile information. So by following these steps, you should be able to sign in to your XDesign account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.